Thanks for joining us. I'm Felicia Sonmez, and here is today's Trail Mix. Is the gender gap narrowing? Well, a new Washington Post ABC News poll released on Tuesday suggests that it might be. And that brings us to today's number to know. That number is 7. It is the percentage point advantage that President Obama has over Mitt Romney among women in Tuesday's poll. Now that's compared to a 19-point advantage that Obama had among women when it comes to his race against Romney in an early April poll. Now what are the takeaways from this survey? Well, there are 3 main lessons to be gleaned. The first one is do not expect Democrats to abandon their so-called war on women rhetoric. Democrats reaped significant dividends from focusing and portraying the Republican Party as opposed to women's issues. The early April survey was conducted at the height of that so-called war on women. The second lesson is that while Mitt Romney has narrowed the gap when it comes to President Obama among women, there still remains a pretty significant gap, and Romney has yet to break the 45% mark when it comes to the women's vote in a Washington Post ABC News poll this year. And that brings us to the third point. The gender gap may indeed be narrowing, but it still remains a pretty significant issue for the GOP, especially when it comes to younger voters and the longer term. Just take a look at a Pew Research Center poll from last month. That survey showed that among women ages 18 to 29, President Obama held a 45 percentage point advantage. Now the question, of course, is what will happen when those women get out of that demographic range and into an older age range? It's definitely something to keep your eye on as the campaign goes forward, and in the near term, keep your eye on whether Democrats keep up their focus on the so-called war on women. So thanks for watching Trail Mix. As always, stay tuned to Election 2012 for the latest from the Trail.